In this video, we will learn how to put ing at the end of a words. Usually, we just put ing at the end of the word. For example, eat, eating, read, reading, work, working, brush, brushing, drink, drinking, play, playing, rest, resting, comb, combing. In some words, the last letter of the word is doubled before adding ing to it. For example, win, winning, run, running, tell, telling, drop, dropping, bird, birding, deep, deeping, sleep, sleeping, fall, falling. If a word ends in a e, it is dropped before adding ing to it. For example, come, coming, rise, rising, bite, biting, wipe, wiping, hide, hiding, write, writing, race, racing, type, typing. If you like my video, please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.